In this lesson, we will see together the possessive pronouns, but we will see more precisely les vôtres. So, of course, the question is, what are the possessive pronouns? Well, they replace a noun previously mentioned to avoid repetition. This is the concept of the pronouns in French to replace a noun that was mentioned. They are used to indicate ownership or possession. So that's the important thing, and that's the reason why we call them possessive pronouns. And the last thing that is quite important, they agree in gender and numbers with the thing or things being possessed. So you will have to choose your pronouns according to the gender and the number of the things they replace. So this lesson is about les vôtres. And the possessive pronoun les vôtres can be translated into English as yours, your own, or your ones, depending on the context. Keep in mind that les vôtres can be masculin, féminin, but definitely it is pluriel. So let's have some examples with les vôtres. Mes suggestions sont bonnes, mais les vôtres sont plus pratiques. Mes suggestions sont bonnes, mais les vôtres sont plus pratiques. Leurs choix sont intéressants, mais les vôtres sont plus diversifiés. Leurs choix sont intéressants, mais les vôtres sont plus diversifiés. Nos compétences sont solides, mais les vôtres sont plus pointues. Nos compétences sont solides, mais les vôtres sont plus pointues. Nos méthodes sont efficaces, mais les vôtres sont plus flexibles. Nos méthodes sont efficaces, mais les vôtres sont plus flexibles.